Greetings! This is Bakos, also known as Hyper Lizard, and I am going to try out a new texture pack called Modern Craft, which has actually been around for a while. I'm sure a few people have done it. Alright. Let's see, we'll go to this one. This is a creative server. I am just goofing around in a creative place. Ooh, interesting. And I only have a few minutes today to get this all set up, so this is called the Beasts MC Creative Server, and this is an interesting texture pack. This is the first building I built here. Which is okay, but it's too small, not complicated enough, not very interesting. So I started building this 3-story ginormous house, and it's been taking me a little bit of time, and excuse me. So I'm getting it done. In the future, I'll be making excuse me, hopefully some quick little videos, kind of explaining what's going on and introducing myself a little bit better. But I hope you enjoy this little preview. I will be doing a huge amount of stuff, building this building, and everything, of course, is hyper, because that's my name. I'm the Hyper Lizard, and it's going to happen kind of quickly. So look forward to the next episode as much as I do. And I think that's all for today. So, good day.